Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, if you are looking forward to a tool in which it is going to help you writing content with the help of AI, then this is the video for you. And if you're first time here, just do subscribe our channel so that we can really let you know that how you can use some interesting tool. And we'll also talk about some tools which are lifetime deal. So this one is also a lifetime deal. If you want to write up some content with the help of AI and this tool which you can really use for blogging. So I do use this for blogging as well because I have multiple tools. I've also used Chat GPT, but I believe this is one of the tool you should have it. Okay, so let me share my screen and I will let you know that how this tool is going to work. Okay, let me minimize this. Okay, now you are able to see the dashboard of the tool. And if you're first time here, do subscribe our channel and let me know what exactly you want. If you have any query, just let me know in the comment section. So this is a tool which can really write up this whole content. You can see I have tried to write this whole content about cricket and IPL. We have written some content related to Akshar Patel. So it is you can write any content, and what is the special in it? So it is going to fetch the images, and it is also giving the credits to the source as well, which is really good. And the second thing is you can also check from this portal that the plagiarism free or not. Okay, so if you click this button, this whole blog is going to be quickly analyzed and it will let you know that this is plagiarism free or not. So I try to just wait for a few more minutes. You can see it is trying to analyze and will able to tell you that this particular uh, tool and the content which has been written with the help of this tool. So if you want to buy it, you can get the link from the description. So you can also see that this content is as of now 50 or 60% plagiarism free, and it is a unique content which is written by the AI. And I totally believe this is the tool I should have. I've already bought it. So if you want to have it, it really saves time. How and why, I will tell you. The first thing is the content is written by the AI and it is 100% unique, which you can see right now. And I will show you. There is one more interesting thing is somehow in some cases we know that Chat GPT is unable to write the latest uh, information because it has a limited knowledge. But you see, it gives references. What are the references? If you go here, now you can see these are the websites. There are 54 references which this blog has used to build up the whole content. Is it amazing? So I will tell you how you need to really build this post, right? It's very simple. You need to write the title, and once you are writing the title, automatically this tool is going to blow your mind because it is going to write complete article for you with the help of AI, with the help of internet, with the help of already content which are available in the internet. It will scan the web, it will fetch the websites which are having the similar content. It will try to analyze and understand, okay, how it is going to be written in the blog. And then you just need to copy this whole content, or you can download it as well. I'll show you how you can download. I will go to the home section. And I will go to my activities, and I will select my long form articles. And when I select this, you can see this is the article which we were just verified, right? So you can see this, and you can um, go ahead and you can copy this whole content. So what I'll do is I will copy the whole content with the images, and automatically I can paste it out in my blog. That is the thing which you need to do. Okay, so what I will do is how I am going to write the content. I will show you that how easy it is. So what I will do is I will go to Google, and I will write like trends IPL cricket, or maybe the latest news about IPL 2023. So when you do this, you will able to see battle of spinner. IPL CSK major injury. So CSK major injury update. So this looks to be interesting topic. So what I will do is I will copy this URL here, not the URL, the title here. So I will copy this. I will go back to the writing tool. Where is the tool? Okay, here. So I'll go back to the writing tool and I go to the dashboard and I go to the section long form article, which is 2000 plus. So I will write down the title here. So this is the title. Okay. Now I will quickly update a title. IPL 2023 Chennai Super King provide major injury update. So what I will do is see how fast it is. Okay. Just click generate. You can use different languages as well. If you go and type different languages, there are multiple languages are available. But at this moment, I'm just going through the English only, and because I will click generate here. Now, once you are clicking generate, what it will do is it will try to fetch out some of the information from the internet. Okay, now you can see it is able to fetch out few titles. These are the topics which are going to be covered in the article. Okay, Chennai Super King Ben Stokes nursing toe injury. So it is giving me all the information which is already there in the internet. So it has tried to gather the information from the internet. That is really good from the different website. Then it gives you a understanding and the tone of the voice, how you want to really write it up. So is it a friendly? Is it a humorous? Okay, it is sad, exciting, happy, professional, right? So this time I will use professional, not we can use friendly as well. Friendly is the more better. So point of view will be the second person, third person. So we are third person here, right? And it should be in the paragraph. And I will also attach images to the content. That is really good. So I will attach the images to the content and I will write generate. I will click generate. Now you see how quickly this tool is going to generate the article. Okay, so we'll wait for a few more minutes. I'm not going to really push this, or I don't want to really pause this. So we'll wait and we will see what exactly the natural time it takes to create the whole article. So it is not more than, I believe, 1 minute. So we will be quickly waiting for it. Ideally, I've seen it is doing really fast. So if it takes 2 minutes as well, but it is going to write up the article, which is really, really a good and detailed article with the help of proper research. At this moment, whatever the articles has been written in the internet, it is going to utilize that thing. And that is really, really great. It is, then you can also do a modification. That is one of the things. You just read out the whole article, take your time, you just add your lines. If you want to change something, you can do the changes, and then you want to add any images which you want to add of your own choice. That is also possible. So now I can see 45% is already done. So it will take few more minutes. So meanwhile, if you believe that this tool is really going to help you, if you are a blogger, then I believe yes, it is going to help you. And this is a unique content, and it is the style of writing the content is also you can change. You can also toggle the things in between. So that is really good. The only drawback which I can really see at this moment, I have grabbed the lifetime deal where I'm able to get 15,000 words in a particular article. So generally what happens is the threshold for the month is 15,000, and a single article which I've seen, it is writing up around about 1100 words to 1200 words. So approximately 14 to 15 articles which you can write up in a month with the help of this tool. I also need to explore if we need to if there is a possibility of putting a capping on the in the words which it is picking automatically. I don't know if there is a capping or not. At this moment, you can see this is my This is my third article. It is already consumed 4,200 4,200 words. Right now, you can see the whole article is ready. So we will be checking it out. So you go ahead and see. It is giving you all options, all informations. It is written in detail, right? Isn't it amazing? If you feel this video is going to help you and giving you some knowledge, hit the like button. Don't forget to do that. And okay. And quickly, I will check the plagiarism as well. Okay. That is our right to check if the content is written plagiarism free and it is a unique content or not with the help of AI. And AI is really going to help us creating blogs with the help of the power of AI. That is really good. So let's wait. And I strongly believe it is 100% unique. That is really good. So I will also try to quick revisit the article. I will read out it and I will try to do some modifications if needed, and then I will post it out. Okay. So I believe this is a video which you have already looking for, or maybe the tool which really helps you to create your content for your blog, for your website, and it can do so many things, right? So we will meet you in some other video as well. So take care, enjoy, and if you want to really purchase this tool, the link is below, and go ahead and purchase. Thank you. Take care. Bye.